Hello folks. So Nandan, where are we going today?
So today we'll be going to that Malabar Hill Forest Trail, which has just got inaugurated, and it's all over the place. So we said we also need to go and visit it. So we tried to get a slot, but we've got this afternoon slot. We have no choice. So we're
Yeah,
going there, and we'll take you through.
yeah. Initially we wanted to cycle there early morning, but no slots were available, and so
Right.
we had to take this 12 a.m. slot or 12 p.m. slot. So we are all ready for it.
Yes. So let's go.
Yeah. So we have reached the location, and we are going towards the ticket counter. We have done the booking through the website. The the address of the website I will give it in the description of the video. The ticket was just 25 rupees per head for Indian citizens. So now as we approach the ticket counter, I will show you. This is how the entrance looks like, and now we will go up. What this is, but looks very nice. And now we are, I think we'll have to go and show our tickets out here. So now we have shown our tickets, and this is how it looks. Looks so beautiful. We never realized that there is so much of forest in Mumbai. So beautiful.
हाँ जी रतनगंज.
So here there's information about the trees which are there close by. So one of these trees is Ratan Gunj. So now we are in a bit of shade. Looks beautiful. This is Jamun Malabar plum. Lot of people. At this point, nowhere has it been mentioned at what height we are. I think so if they had done that, it would have been very nice. Here you can see the sea and the chowpatty and the rising cement jungle in Mumbai. So now we are having a little bit of slope, and I met this lovely gentleman, Mr. Umar Sheikh. Exchanged a bit of notes, and now I am proceeding further. So we are at a slope, and really we are enjoying this walk. Another view of Malabar Hill from here, and you can see how far the houses have come close to this place. All you can see is green, green, green. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at those huge trees.
Does this go? This what happened to the
This is the skyline from here. So they have put a small placard kind of a thing out here. I really don't understand what it means. Now this trail takes a U-turn here. At this point, you can see the Arabian Sea beautifully. So are the people who are waiting in line for the 1 o'clock slot. And this is how the gate looks. And this is the board. There is a temple out here. And you can also see structure which has come up. People in Mumbai stay anywhere. Coming by Uber, you can put this in your Uber so that you will get it's much more convenient than where we had come from. You walk in straight and you go to the forest. So folks, we have finished our walk. I really enjoyed it. I mean,
Yeah, it is good. I'll tell you how much it is on Strava. We can always check how many, not even a kilometer, I suppose. This one. It's maybe a kilometer and slightly more.
Yeah, so that's all you have to walk.
Yeah.
And you will really enjoy it.
Yeah. You must
So-
come here. I think maybe slightly earlier would be better because it's too much heat for us out here now because we are here at, like we came here by 12 and
12 o'clock
we've
slot,
done.
yeah.
So try and make it early in the morning or maybe late evening where you can see it lit. We'll try and cover that as well, maybe later sometime. Please share, subscribe, like, comment to our channel and then let us also know where you want us to go or as it is we are exploring. So we'll also check out on some places which you all will enjoy watching. So till the next time, bye.
Bye.